Your proprietary data is leaking through the cracks of shadow IT every time an employee copies a prompt into an unsecured AI tool. Restrictive bans are failing, and the threat to your enterprise integrity is growing by the minute. It's time to move beyond fear and implement the hardened governance frameworks required to keep your company's secrets safe. In 2026, generative AI is transforming how employees work. Teams are using AI to draft content, summarize documents, analyze data, write code, support customers, and automate daily tasks. But without oversight, this creates a major security risk. Employees may copy sensitive information into public AI tools without realizing where that data goes, how long it is stored, or whether it could be used beyond the organization's control. Internal documents, customer records, source code, contracts, financial data, and proprietary strategies can all be exposed through unchecked AI usage. This is no longer just shadow IT. It is shadow AI. Many organizations respond by banning AI tools completely, but bans rarely work. Employees still need to move faster, and if approved tools are not available, they may find their own. The better approach is structured governance. The goal is not to stop AI adoption. The goal is to make AI usage safe, visible, and aligned with enterprise security and compliance requirements. A secure AI governance framework starts with one question: who is using which AI tools, for what purpose, and with what data? If your organization cannot answer that, AI risk is already growing in the shadows. First, establish clear usage policies. Employees need to know what data can and cannot be used with AI tools. Public information may be acceptable. Customer data, employee records, credentials, financial information, proprietary code, and confidential strategy should require strict controls. Second, create a list of approved AI tools. Instead of forcing employees to guess, provide vetted platforms that meet your standards for privacy, security, retention, compliance, identity management, and auditing. Third, apply granular access controls. Not every employee needs every AI capability. Marketing, finance, HR, engineering, legal, and customer support teams may each need different permissions. Role-based access helps reduce unnecessary exposure. Fourth, integrate AI tools with your identity provider. Enterprise AI platforms should support single sign-on, multi-factor authentication, role-based access, and automated offboarding when employees leave. Fifth, audit usage. Organizations need visibility into prompts, file uploads, integrations, outputs, and user activity where appropriate. Without auditing, there is no accountability. Prompt engineering also needs guardrails. A careless prompt can expose confidential information. Employees should be trained to remove sensitive details, avoid uploading restricted data, and use approved internal tools for sensitive work. Vendor review is also essential. Before approving an AI tool, security and legal teams should ask, does the vendor train models on customer inputs? Where is data stored? How long is it retained? Can it be deleted? Is encryption used? Are audit logs available? Does the tool meet compliance requirements? Organizations should also define acceptable use cases. AI may be approved for drafting internal communications, summarizing public information, creating first drafts, analyzing non-sensitive data, or assisting with coding in approved environments. But high-risk uses, such as legal advice, hiring decisions, financial approvals, regulated data, or customer-facing outputs, should require human review. Human oversight remains critical. AI can move fast, but it can also produce inaccurate, biased, or misleading results. Employees must review AI output before using it in business decisions, public content, customer communication, or technical deployments. To get started, organizations should identify all AI tools currently in use, classify tools by risk level, create an approved AI tool list, define which data types are allowed, require SSO and MFA, apply role-based access controls, monitor prompts, uploads, integrations, and outputs where appropriate. Review vendors for privacy, security, and compliance. Train employees on safe prompting. Require human review for sensitive use cases. Update policies as tools and regulations evolve. The future of enterprise AI is not about choosing between innovation and security. It is about building a framework where both can exist. Move from fear to governance. Move from bans to approved usage. Move from shadow AI to secure innovation. Generative AI is already inside the enterprise. The question is whether your organization can see it, control it, and trust it. With the right governance framework, AI can become a powerful business advantage without becoming your next major security risk.